This is our last session of Smart Up Your Life for tonight, smart listener, and Mrs. Day will conclude the conversation from our topic.
Uh, okay. Be unique is like how do you define yourself? How do you put your goals? Anything that uh, you you want to face in the future, and how the way you find it. And when some people give you some expectation like you are like this, you are like this, doesn't matter about that. No matter how they blame you, whether you are unique in a negative or positive side, just take it as a lesson that you are different from them. And of course you should make a change, and but you don't have you don't have to prove to them, to the people who blame you, that you are different in negative side. Just keep moving on, as long as you are still on the line. So that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Well, we move to the idioms and vocabulary section, right? Miss Henry, what do you want to share to smart listener?
Um, the first is social butterfly. The meaning is senang bersosialisasi. And the second is worry words is orang yang senantiasa khawatir yang berlebihan. The last is busybody. Busybody is orang yang selalu terus-terusan kepo di kehidupan kita.
Oh.
Ya, busybody. Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, from Mr. Isan.
The first one, introvert,
Mhm.
atau dia tertutup dengan lingkungan di sekitarnya. Kemudian
Extrovert.
extrovert, suka bergaul atau easy going, kebalikan daripada introvert. And ambivert, yaitu yang berada di tengah-tengah. And then territory or wilayah, and waters atau perairan,
Waters.
and what else?
Police.
Another.
And perpetrator atau penjahat atau pelaku that who is committed the crime.
Oh well, thank you.
Thank you, Kak.
From me, one idioms that you can use in a condition that you cannot handle. Get out of hand. Get out
Yeah.
of hand. The meaning is when you feel in the condition that you cannot handle the condition. That's the expression you can use.
Okay.
Okay, so for the example, the party just got out of hand, and the guests
Out.
start to throw bottles at each other like chaos
Chaos.
in chaotic condition. Okay, so sometimes also there's a unique person who always feeling sad. Yes, feeling you can say I'm feeling blue.
No,
Okay.
feeling blue.
I'm feeling blue.
Blue.
That's when you're like galau,
Galau.
and sad. Yeah. So what else? Okay, that's all maybe. So thank you so much guys for coming tonight,
Thank you, Kak.
and thank you for smart listener who listening to our conversation. And for the closing statement, maybe from Mr. Isan and then Miss Henry, before we say goodbye to smart listener, before we end the conversation.
Okay, I just wanna. I would like to give spirit for all police officer that entire Indonesian that's doing their job. Burn your spirit, guys.
Yeah.
Wherever you are.
Okay. I think the police officer didn't have time to join the community and to play
No.
because they have
No.
a lot of job to do.
Actually, I'm as a staff of internal affair, so I work from. No.
You work from the office.
Yeah, I work from 0700 hours until 16. No. Yeah, 1500 hours. So
Okay. And you, Miss Henry,
Uh,
the closing statement from what do you think from our conversation?
uh, learning from your mistake. If you have faults when you do something, uh, just doing first and learn from your mistake. Yeah. Thank you, Kak.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, guys, for coming tonight, and also for you, smart listener. Just believe in yourself because you have the strength, you have the weakness. Do not, how to say, do not feel down because you have a mistake, and you just, how to say, you must believe in yourself that you are unique. Okay, thank you, and Rifa Majid saying goodbye to you, smart listener. Bye bye.